Today we're going to be making these super easy 3-ingredient basic cookies. You can bake these in under an hour, and you can also add flavors to these and make them as you like. These are all of the ingredients you'll need, and you can also add in some chocolate chips or nuts to them to make them fun. So to start off, you're going to take your butter in a big bowl and you're going to beat this for about a minute till it is light and fluffy. And then you're going to add in the sugar. I like to powder my sugar in a mixie before adding so that there are no granules of the sugar remaining. And then you're going to beat this for about 2 to 3 minutes till the mixture is light and fluffy. That is just about how it should look like. Then you're going to add in the flour or the maida and mix that in using a spatula or a spoon just till your dough comes together. Make sure you're light and patient with this process. You can mix it by your hand at the end just till the dough comes together. Once that is done, you're going to scoop out about a tablespoon of the mixture. You need to make about a lemon-sized ball. And then you're going to slightly flatten it and place it on a lined baking tray. And repeat that with the remaining dough. You can also first make the ball and then just lightly press it on the tray. This recipe makes about 15 cookies. Once that's done, they are ready to bake. You're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how soft or hard you like your cookies. These don't turn out to be really hard, so you don't have to worry because they are super buttery. After they're done baking, just let them cool for about a few minutes in the baking tray. And then you're going to place them on a cooling rack. These are super flaky and buttery and delicious and go so well with some afternoon tea. You can see the crust of the cookie, it's just so flaky. And there is a bite into the cookie just to show you the texture. They're super easy to make, so there is no excuse for you to not try them, and they would be perfect, especially for this festive season. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I'll be back soon with some more. See you soon, bye, and take care.